Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Rutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Ajwani Wakad, which is located near Santosh Nagar, Wakad, Pune and developed by Ajwani Group. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Ajwani Wakad will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower will be having basement plus ground plus 3 podium plus 24 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में दिख जाएगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर संतोष नगर, वाकड़, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाएगी मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे विद इन 550 मीटर्स, बुमकर चौक विद इन 1 किलोमीटर and also D-Mart within 1.5 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 45 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, indoor games, kids play area, senior sit-out area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Ajwani Wakad has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 812 to 864 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 990 to 1177 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will show the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Ajwani Wakad, which is located near Santosh Nagar, Wakad, Pune and developed by Ajwani Group. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.